Here I have Motorola Moto G42, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the wallpaper section. So you can select one of the live wallpapers if you have one. You can select one of the pre-installed on device wallpapers like these ones, or you can just go to the My Photos and select any other image that you can download from the internet, or just take a picture with your camera and set it as your wallpaper. Here you can adjust the image, then tap OK. Select if you want to set it on home screen, on lock screen, or on both screens. And as you can see, wallpaper changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.